We put together this tutorial to show you how to install Emerson's Field Tools software after downloading the software files on SupportNet. This is a second video in a 4-part series. We cover software download, login, and configuration in the other tutorials. Field Tools software suite is designed for field configuration and field maintenance of Emerson remote terminal units and flow computers. To complete this tutorial, you'll need Field Tools downloaded to a Windows computer. You'll also want to have administrative access to the computer to make changes. For a complete list of software specifications, please reference the Field Tools datasheet available on our website. Ready? Let's get started. First, you will want to access the installation wizard. Navigate to the Field Tools Program Files folder and open the Field Tools program. Before you start clicking through the installation wizard, you will need to check your user access control. To do this, open your Start menu and use the search bar. I usually type the letters UAC. As I type, User Access Controls pops up on the right side of the menu, which is what I want. This brings up a new window. As you can see, mine right now says Never Notify, which is what Emerson suggests when installing Field Tools software. You can change this back after the setting. Please note you will need administrative privileges to change this setting. Once that's complete, back in the installation wizard, go ahead and click Next. Of course, there's a nice long software agreement to read through and accept. I realize a lot of people click right through this, but it is important. You can print this if you need to read it off screen. When you're ready, click Accept. This screen is actually really helpful. It allows you to easily install the configuration software applications that you will need for your specific category of device, like Rocklink 800 for FlowBoss and Rock products, TechView for control wave products, and FBX Connect for the new FB products. You also have the option to install FBX Designer, which is a new application development suite to create custom logic within the FB3000 platform. I'm selecting all four. We'll dive deeper into these programs in future tutorials. Once you have made your selections, go ahead and click Next. The Setup wizard will start to do its work. We sped up this section for the sake of this tutorial, and your experience may be different. If the installation seems to be going slow, I would recommend closing out other programs. Okay, once the installation is complete, you have the option of adding a desktop shortcut. I find this handy, so I say yes. And then you see it is added to the right side of your screen. The last part of the installation is to click Finish. Once the program is completely installed, you're ready to log in. We'll cover that in our next video. Should you encounter a problem not in this tutorial, please reach out to us. Our contact information is posted shortly.